The game is changing. Imagine this. You're deep in a game, heart pounding, palms sweating, facing a boss you thought you knew inside and out, until suddenly it starts adapting to your every move, as if it's reading your mind. Out of nowhere, it dodges when you expect it to attack, learns from your mistakes, and even starts using your own favorite strategies against you. Every move you make, it's watching, learning, and evolving. This isn't just a scripted sequence or a pre-programmed pattern. This is the game itself, alive and thinking, responding to you in real time. Welcome to the future, powered by artificial intelligence, where the boundaries between player and game blur like never before. AI is no longer just a sci-fi buzzword. It's the driving force making games more immersive, more challenging, and more personal than ever before. Forget NPCs that run into walls or repeat the same lines. Now, every character and creature can feel alive, with their own goals, personalities, and unpredictable behaviors. AI is the ghost in the machine, weaving complexity into every moment, making every playthrough unique and full of surprises you never saw coming. We've all mastered patterns and exploited glitches, but what if the game started learning back, closing loopholes and adapting to your tricks? AI lets entire worlds evolve based on your actions, creating living systems that adapt, react, and even remember your choices in real time. This is an exciting, slightly terrifying, and absolutely awesome new frontier for gamers everywhere. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into how AI is changing the game, not just for developers, but for every player. We'll explore smarter, more dynamic worlds, the challenge of keeping things balanced and fair, and what the future might hold for us as players in this ever-evolving landscape. This isn't just about better graphics or faster speeds. It's about the soul of the game, the heart of the experience. It's about making digital adventures feel as real, as meaningful, and as unforgettable as life itself. The game is changing, and you're going to want to be a part of it. Let's get into it. Let's talk about what AI is doing to our games right now and how it's completely changing the way we play. The biggest change: smarter NPCs that actually think and react. No more enemies with potato-level intelligence, just running at you in straight lines. Now they communicate, flank, and call for backup, working together to outsmart you. Every encounter becomes a dynamic puzzle, not just a shooting gallery where you mow down waves of mindless foes. AI makes enemies believable, coordinated, dangerous, and worthy of respect, forcing you to rethink your strategies. You can't just cheese your way through fights anymore. You have to adapt, improvise, and stay on your toes. But it's not just enemies. AI is transforming entire worlds, making them feel alive and unpredictable. Clear out a bandit camp? Maybe settlers move in, or a tougher faction takes over, changing the balance of power. The world remembers your actions and changes because of them, creating a sense of consequence and immersion. Your journey shapes a living, breathing ecosystem, where every choice can ripple out and affect the world. The world isn't just a backdrop. It's a character that grows with you, evolving as you play and explore. We're moving toward emergent narratives, moments born from complex AI, not just developer scripts, making every playthrough unique. This is where the magic truly begins, as games surprise us in ways we never expected. And it's only getting started. The future of gaming is smarter, deeper, and more alive than ever before. Super smart AI sounds awesome until it's too smart. There's a fine line between challenging and just plain unfair. If AI predicts your every move, it stops being fun and starts feeling impossible. The goal isn't an unbeatable AI, it's one that's human. It should make mistakes, get overconfident, or panic. These flaws make victories satisfying and opponents believable. Developers spend countless hours tweaking AI to find that sweet spot. The best AI is a dance partner, not a punishing adversary. When done right, it creates a loop of challenge, learning, and triumph. That's what separates a good game from a legendary one. Fairness is critical. In every great game, it's the invisible thread that keeps us coming back for more, pushing us to try again after every defeat. We've all faced bosses that feel like they're cheating, impossible attacks, reading your every move, and seemingly infinite health bars that never go down. That breaks immersion and makes victory meaningless. When a challenge feels unfair, it's not satisfying to win, or even to keep trying. AI must play by the same rules as the player. If the AI cheats, it destroys trust and the sense of accomplishment. The best boss fights feel impossible at first, but you learn, adapt, and finally win. That journey from frustration to triumph is what makes games memorable. An unbeatable AI robs you of that aha moment, the thrill of finally figuring out the pattern and overcoming the odds. Developers use clever tricks to create the illusion of intelligence, making enemies seem smart without being unfair. True intelligence in games isn't about perfection, but about believable challenge. Enemies might miss on purpose or rely on sight and sound, not omniscience. They make mistakes, just like players do. These limitations make AI feel fair and fun, turning every encounter into a test of skill rather than luck or frustration. The goal isn't to build a Skynet, it's to build a dragon you can slay, a foe that pushes you to your limits but never beyond them. The AI should be powerful, but always beatable. It should challenge you, not crush your spirit. Because in games, the most important character is you, the player, the hero of the story. A game that forgets that has already lost, no matter how impressive its AI may be. The AI is there to make you the hero, to give you stories worth telling and victories worth celebrating. That's the magic of great game design, making you feel unstoppable, but only after you've truly earned it. Now let's look to the future, where AI personalizes every adventure. Imagine a game that adapts to your playstyle, skill, and personality in real time. The AI director watches how you play and tailors the world to you. Stealthy explorer, more hidden paths and secrets. Run and gun, more action and chaos. The game learns what you find fun and gives you more of it. Even the story adapts. NPCs react to your choices, and the plot shifts based on your actions. Your journey shapes a unique narrative, with consequences that feel earned. This is the personalization revolution, a living experience that collaborates with you. Every playthrough is different because you are different each time. The AI grows with you, offering limitless replayability. This is the dream. A game that knows you and evolves with you. The future of gaming is personal. Let's look at games that paved the way for smart AI. The Last of Us featured enemies that communicated, flanked, and forced you to adapt. Every encounter felt like a tactical struggle, not just a shooting gallery. Horizon Zero Dawn's machine creatures had unique behaviors and roles in their ecosystem. Fighting a Thunderjaw was a multi-stage battle that required real strategy. These games used AI for more than combat, they built believable worlds. The AI reinforced themes and made the worlds feel alive, even when you weren't playing. They set a new standard for digital life in games. Smarter AI led to richer gameplay and more heroic victories. These titles laid the groundwork for the next generation. They walked so future games could run. And what's coming next? It's going to blow our minds. The best is yet to come. Now, let's talk about truly adaptive NPCs. Imagine characters who remember your actions and evolve their relationship with you. A companion who learns your playstyle, becoming more aggressive or stealthy to match you. They comment on your tactics, praise your cleverness, or worry about your recklessness. Shopkeepers might raise prices if you're rude, or guards might help you if you've earned their trust. Every interaction shapes a web of social dynamics. Your reputation actually matters, and relationships are fluid. Rivals can become allies, and friends can betray you based on your choices. This level of dynamic social simulation is the next frontier. It creates stories that are personal and emotionally resonant. The world feels alive, and your actions have real consequences. Adaptive NPCs will make every playthrough unique. It's going to be incredible. Let's look at a game aiming to bring it all together. Echoes of Eternity. Its Genesis engine manages enemy tactics, narrative, and world state. No two players have the same experience. The world is procedurally generated and curated by AI. The AI creates quests, characters, and storylines on the fly based on your actions. Explore a forest. The AI generates a unique quest line there. Choose the mountains. A different story unfolds. Enemies belong to factions with their own goals and territories, fighting and evolving independently. The world is in constant flux, making history as you play. These are ambitious promises, but they show where the industry is heading. Games like this are moving beyond scripts to endless possibilities. The future is a world you truly inhabit and a story you help write. This is the next level of gaming. We're on the cusp of the most exciting era in gaming. AI is unlocking unique, personal, and endlessly replayable experiences. The line between scripted and player-driven stories is disappearing. Worlds will feel alive, characters real, and challenges meaningful. Imagine a horror game that learns your fears, or a detective game with a new culprit every time. AI teammates that adapt to your squad's strategy. We're only scratching the surface. Every year brings more power and ambition. The future of gaming is bright, and it's a partnership between creators and players. Our passion drives innovation, and developers are building these worlds for us. Now, what's your dream AI-powered game? What world would you explore? Let's dream big together. The future is something we'll play, not just watch. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.